guys, hope you're all doing well. I got IPSY mail, so this is what I got in my July 2018 bag. If you're not familiar with IPSY, it is a subscription service. You receive 5 products every month, and it is $10 per month. So if you're interested in signing up for IPSY, I will have a referral link in the description box. Definitely give that a click. I would appreciate it. I get some points for it, and then when you become an IPSY subscriber, then you can get points for anybody that you refer to sign up for IPSY as well. So it's super cool. You can get, it's like you have to build up to 300 and some odd points to get like one extra small product in your bag, and it's pretty cool. You also get to review all of your products, which I highly encourage you to review if you don't already, because that is how they know what kind of products that you like to receive in your bag. So anyways, definitely click the referral link, please. I would appreciate it, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video and all that fun stuff. So here we go. This is the bag, and see, I pulled something else out with the bag, which I will show you in one second. Here is the bag. It's really pretty. It's like a turquoise like slash aqua sort of, and it's kind of holographic, which it's not picking up on the camera like it is in person here, but it's really beautiful. Maybe you can see it a little bit better there. What do I have on there? What is that? Oh, just a little piece of packaging, but yeah, isn't that so pretty? I love the holographic bag, and it's really soft. Like really love this bag this month. So that is super nice. And when you open it up, we've got a card here that says July 2018. So it doesn't have like a theme or anything like that. It just says July 2018. Very cool. So here is what I grabbed out with the bag. They were sheet masks. So I got 2 sheet masks from the brand Fresh Garden. I believe that's the brand. I think Fresh Garden, it's D Park Corporation. I don't know. I've never heard of this brand before, so this is a first for me, so I definitely look forward to giving these a try. One is acai berry calming mask, so that's cool. And then this one is a pomegranate firming mask. So very cool. Definitely look forward to giving these a try. Next, I got a travel size liquid liner from the brand IPSY. Oh, I just ripped my thingy. Let's see if it's a nice one. Here it is. This is a nice size liquid liner. Oh, and it's nice. It's nice and black. And it drew on a thin line, and I imagine you can make it thicker, yes. Very nice, you guys. And it does not appear to be bleeding outside the line, so definitely we'll give this a whirl. I like it a lot. Next is from, it's a 10. This is the Miracle Leave-In Light. So I already use the regular, it's a 10, so I'm definitely curious to find out how the light works, if it's going to be better for my baby fine hair. The normal stuff doesn't weigh my hair down, but maybe this will be even better for me. I don't know. I'm definitely happy to receive this because I've never tried the light version. So very cool. Next is a eyeshadow single from the brand called IPSY. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It looks like it's like an eggplanty color. What's the color? The color is, I'm not sure if the number MS205, if that's it, or if it's changing to flats is what they're calling it, I think, which is strange to me. Changing to flats. What does that mean? Is that, I mean, that's a bit of a name for, this looks like an eggplanty type color here. So we'll see. Oh, it looks nice. It stains. I will say that. So this is a little scary because sometimes when they stain like this, you have a hard time. Like, see, I'm trying to blend around it. When they stain, they stay put so much that they're hard to work with, but we'll see. You can see exactly where I swatched it the heaviest, how it's stained there, and almost appears to be patchy. So I definitely look forward to trying this on my eyes because that's what's going to tell me whether I like it or not, obviously. I'm going to try to put this back in here until I can find a Z palette to plug this guy into. So anyways, that is cool. Very cool to receive that. I very much am stained from it. Like, this isn't coming off. So stain can be a blessing and sometimes it can be a curse because the curse is that sometimes it can be patchy, but sometimes having staining means it's going to last longer. So if you can place it exactly where you want to keep it and not need to move it around and blend it out too much, then that would be okay. But like I said, sometimes it's a curse because then it looks patchy. So we'll see how it works on my eye. Lastly, I got another orange. It looks orange Lord & Berry lip liner here. Let's see. This color is called Mandarin Lip Liner. You guys, when I'm laughing about orange, it's because like last month I got a carrot orange colored lipstick and it was like, oh gosh, no. This is super, oh, that is not, okay, so this is more of a coral, which I like. Hold on, let me grab a lipstick and we'll go ahead and try this on. Okay, I just have a really cheap lippy here that I got at, what do you call it, the Dollar Tree. So we're going to go ahead and try this. Like I said, it definitely looks more coral. Please be wearable. All right, this color, definitely doable, definitely. If you guys didn't see my unbagging that I did last month, you got to check it out because I got a carrot orange colored liquid lip. I was like, yeah, no. What do you guys think? I think it's wearable. Definitely, definitely wearable. Almost looks like exactly what I had on before. By the way, this lipstick that I got from LA Colors, it's a lip duo. The color is called Clarity. It is going really good with that lippy. I don't look like a carrot. It looks pretty, like a very, very pretty coral color. So I am thrilled to receive that. What did I just do with it? Oh, thrilled to receive this because that's wearable. Like that lipstick that I got last month was not wearable at all. And by the way, these LA Color lip duos, they smell like banana. They are so good. The lip, they're very moisturizing, and like I said, I got them from the dollar store. They were $1, so super cheap. So anyways, that's everything I got in my IPSY bag, guys. I'm just going to recap it super quick here. I got the lip liner, the liquid liner from IPSY, the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In, and the individual shadow from IPSY, and then 2 face masks and this gorgeous, gorgeous bag. So IPSY is a great deal, guys. I definitely suggest that you sign up with them. Just make sure that you do the monthly, you know, update your quiz as you don't want products, and make sure that you do that monthly, you know, go on there and review each product that you get in your bag. Because when you don't like something or you don't like a brand, you let them know and then they don't send it to you. And they definitely tailor your bag to what you like. So I've been with IPSY now for a couple of years, and I truly believe their bags get better and better. So I hope that you guys consider IPSY as a subscription service. I think that it's a great deal for 10 bucks. So that's all, guys. I will see you in the next video. By the way, let me know what you got in your IPSY bag. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Sound off below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you soon, guys.